on.
Okay.
Alright, this is my Rossi. Suzuki 7. Try to hit some targets.
Oh, cool.
6. You have to pull the hammer back each time? You can, if you want. Makes it a lot easier. Does it? Okay? Yep. With no safety, you pull back the hammer. It's got a hair trigger. Okay. All right. Oh, you got something on it.
Pull it back.
Oh, missed that one. Shaky. Okay. Oh, you got it. Woo. Anybody else want to try it? A couple more bullets left.
You want to try it?
You want them to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no safety.
Alright.
Okay, so you just got to pull the hammer back. Hold on to it. Two hands. Firm. Okay. No safety now.
Go, Joey.
All right.
Get some goggles.
Woo! He hit it!
Yeah!
That's it.
Oh, I gave you the last bullet.
I got
Joe,
more
get some
bullets here.
goggles on.
Hand down.
First shot. Good job, bud.
Good job.
Yeah, that smile.
Joe, you need goggles? Oh, yeah.
You want to try that gun?
Mm-mm.
That's pretty neat.
Woo! Hit it again!
Did he?
Yeah.
Good job. Good eye, buddy. You want to try one? Just got to hold the gun up tight.
Oh, man.
All
what a
right,
shot.
Joey.
This guy's good with them. That's it.
Good job, John.
Nice.
Joey.
Good job.